guys, so today we are going to learn about the keyboard tab like we learned about the mouse tab earlier in the previous episode. So if you haven't watched that, go ahead watch that. And so first of all, as a basic feature, Bluetooth keyboard service on start. And now first of all, we can emit like HID attacks or something. I'll also tell you in this video. You can send similar I don't know what is balanced, but you can send like a continuous string of keys. For example, whatever key you want, that we will talk about in another video. Send similar. This key, what it does is it holds a key. So we will talk about this in another video about these. First of all, we will talk about the basics. So let me just real quick grab control keys. So what we want that on button A pressed, it sends the key subscribe, and on button B pressed, it sends the keys coding for beginners. Like my channel, you should do right now, subscribe. So what I want, on button A plus B pressed, it opens Notepad. Like I talked, it can emulate HID attacks. So what we are going to do, to open Notepad, we first of all want to run enter, and after we run enter, we want to type in the notepad.exe. So what we are going to do, first of all, Windows key. Here's our Windows key plus R, simple R. So we are going to advanced tabs and this text tab to get this join two things. So we are going to join Windows plus R and just going to go ahead and duplicate that. So now we want to open Notepad. Send keys and small notepad.exe, and after it types it, we want it to hit enter, and we will add a delay here. But if you have a like super fast PC, then you don't actually need to add a delay. Mine is a little bit slow, so I'll add 1 millisecond delay. So after that, if I want to, I can like open command prompt for administrator by just pressing Ctrl Shift Enter, left arrow click, and then again hitting enter. I'll not show that to you because that's like a little bit unethical. So what we are going to do is we are going to print hello world. So after send keys enter, send keys hello world. And let me just real quick tell you, it doesn't actually, for the keyword, it doesn't actually send the right keys. Sometimes it sends like some other character. So be careful with what you are doing actually. So that was the keyboard, and now let's come to the camera portion. So guys, we have uploaded our code to the microbit, and because of the previous video, it auto connected to my laptop. So what I am going to do is I am actually going to press the button A and B now, and it should, but I don't know why, but it actually opened the screen snip feature. As I told you that it doesn't actually properly work, the HID keyboard feature. So don't actually rely on this, guys. Let me try this once again. Nope. It doesn't. But if I press Windows and R, it is going to open this one option. So as I told you, but still, if I open Windows R and type in notepad.exe, exe and hit enter. And let's press the buttons. First of all, the A key. Yep, I don't know why there are so many E's. I'm just going. What the hell? Yeah, it stopped. Now I'm just going to replug this in. So after replugging it in, it should auto connect. I think it connected. Let's press the yeah. Please work. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, subscribe. Yeah, it worked. But after my twice, let's do that again. No, it doesn't work. And my laptop crashed. So hope you guys liked this video. Thank you.